Hold fast to your dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that can never fly. Good morning, everyone. I'm Garima Tyagi of class 12th of Raunaq Public School. And as I stand here today, I am not just a student. I am a dreamer. And today I'm going to tell you all about my dream. I have a dream, not of a perfect world, but of a better one. A world where success is not measured by marks on our sheet, but by courage in our choices and kindness in our hearts. I have a dream that we stop racing against each other. Instead, we start rising with each other. That we value people not by their backgrounds, but by their stories, their scars, their strengths, and their spirit. I dream of a world where education won't just teach us how to make a living, but how to make a life, one filled with peace, passion, and tranquility. I dream of a world where our generation will not be known for scrolling endless reels on internet every day, but will be known for standing up and speaking out. That we'll question what is outdated, we'll challenge what is broken, and we'll never settle for just the way things are. Because dreams are not just the soft hopes whispered at night. They are the revolutions waiting to happen. And even if the world tries to silence us, I believe that dreams have voice, and voice have echoes across the borders, across the barriers, and across the time itself. I dream of hands that lift, not push, of hearts that speak even in the hush. Because if we don't dare to dream, how will we ever dare to change? And this was all about my dream. So wild, so true, and I still believe it all starts with me and you. Thank you, everyone.